In late astronomical surveys, scientists identified an object behaving in ways that defied conventional models. It did not follow a typical solar orbit, it did not behave like a comet, and it did not resemble known asteroids. The object was catalogued under a cold bureaucratic name, 3I Atlas. Officially it was labelled Interstellar, meaning it did not originate from our solar system. But that classification alone raises an immediate and troubling question. If it is not from here, why is it here at all? Unlike Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor, which passed quickly through our system like a skipping stone, 3I Atlas appeared to exhibit controlled motion. Subtle adjustments, inconsistent with passive space debris, no visible propulsion, no tail, no outgassing, just correction. The official narrative claims this non-gravitational acceleration is due to escaping gas. But what if that gas is a cover story? What if the subtle course corrections are the work of an onboard guidance system? Some are calling it the second shoe to drop, a follow-up, a larger, more sophisticated piece of technology sent to finish the reconnaissance mission started by its smaller, tumbling predecessor. As telescopes gathered more data, analysts noticed something unsettling. 3I Atlas maintained trajectories that repeatedly aligned with Earth, key orbital planes, and regions dense with artificial satellites. Coincidence, perhaps? But then came the silence. Unlike natural objects, 3I Atlas reflected light in irregular patterns, as if its surface were engineered, not eroded. Its geometry appeared deliberate. A tumbling shard of rock does not care where it points, a sensor does. This is where the conspiracy deepens. The object is not just passing through, it is station-keeping. It is holding a position to maximize its field of view. Harvard professor Avi Loeb, a leading voice in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, famously applied the duck test to these objects. If it looks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, then it probably is a duck. In this case, the duck is a surveillance drone, and the official agencies are desperately trying to convince us it's just a piece of pond scum.